Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go from this daytime to this nighttime look. It's going to be a halo winged eye. Picture this, ISO is over, it's Friday night, you're home from work and the girls have called and they want to go dancing. Pop on this video and learn how to create this look. So you already have your base on, you've got your brows done, and you've got that little bit of bronzer on your crease, your hooded eye line. So now I'm just going to kind of jazz it up a bit and make the base a little bit more nighttime. So I've gone ahead and done some highlight on my décolletage, and now I'm just going to go over and deepen my bronzer, adding a little bit of illuminating bronzer onto the cheeks. I'm going to go in with a warmer tone shadow through my crease. You can do the same technique with any eyeshadow palette, so you just want to blend that one through the crease first. With that same fluffy blending brush, pick up a brown tone and you just want to bring that one down a tiny bit lower on the outer corners and a little bit on the inner corner, and then run it back through that crease.
On the horizon every time you are not around, slowly drifting away, wave after wave.
With a clean blending brush, just run those two shadows together to soften any harsh edges. Now with a darker brown and a more detailed brush, you're going to concentrate the product on the outer corner first, and then a little bit through the inner corner, just a smaller section, and then you're going to run it back and forward lightly through the crease line as well. Once you're happy with that, grab that same blending brush and just soften those in together again. Now pick up a flat brush and spray it with some Fix Plus, so then you can dip into your shimmery shade. And I've picked the bronze, which is more of a goldie on the eye, and you're going to place that directly in the center. Now you're going to go back in with the brown and just blend the brown into your center shade. Now this is where it gets smoky. Pick up some black shadow on a smaller detailed brush and concentrate this on just the outer corner and just the inner corner. Then you're going to want to blend, blend, blend. Time for the under eye. So you're going to get that brown shade, the lighter brown, and run that all across the bottom lash line and really smoke it out. And then you're going to pick up the browner shade, the darker brown, and then you're going to focus that on the inner and outer corner. To finish up the eyeshadow, you're going to grab that same gold tone and just put it on the center of the lower lash line with that same detailed brush. Next up, grab a dark brown liner and do the tight lines on the top of the inner rim and the lower rim. To help open up the eyes, pick a light goldy shimmer and just place some on the inner corners. Do one final blend out and make sure you're happy with how everything looks. Next, you want to get your lashes ready, so pop some glue on them and then set them aside. Another thing when you're time poor is these awesome and quick flick stamps. So this one is to the point, and I like to extend it out a little bit more, but I do like the nice clean easy line it gives you in a matter of seconds. So you just simply have to stamp it, connect the two, and that's a wing liner for you. Our lashes are nice and tacky now, so pop them on, place in the center, grab the inner corner and press down and the outer corner and press down. Pop on some highlight. To finish off, we want to define our lips with some lip liner and pop on some gloss to make them pop, and finish the look with some setting spray. You are ready, girl. Pop on some hoops, slick back your dirty hair, and enjoy.